Hello everyone, I am Gopal, Carpenter, scientist at CIE Bhopal. AI is a buzzword now. We are all listening, we are all observing this AI terms, AI ML terms. But what actually it does? It actually improves our efficiency from taking data from old observance, old repositories. So actually we are increasing our productivity through the past data, and learning by learning, deep learning, we are accessing the past data and learning from that. So this is the basic AI. And in the field of agriculture engineering, we are using this AI for disease management, for precision agriculture, for variable rate spraying. So basically we have used this AI ML in our crop canopy architecture assessment. So in our field, we have used a 3D LiDAR system for canopy volume estimation of mango trees, like large mango trees. So basically this basic measurement system takes too much time. So actually AI ML converting that too much laborious time into our productive time in less than 10% of the time which consumes in labor time, completing the time into this 10% of the actual time. AI is increasing our productivity in all agriculture applications and so on. Thank you.